So you just completed this handout. I reviewed it with you for the different ranges for these operators. And now I'm going to show you how to actually make these operators. And so I'm going to go ahead, go to Scratch. Inside of Scratch, I'm going to actually title this create new operators. And I'm going to come down to operators. I'm going to select operators, and here's a whole range of operators. The very first one, I'm just going to do a simple one. I'm going to take this operator, bring it onto the page, and I'm going to actually have to go and make my variable first. I'm going to say make variable, and I'll call this variable, how about this, variable range, so I don't get it confused with anything else. Variable range, and I'll say OK, and then I'm going to come, there's my variable range. I'm going to go click, hold, drag, and put my variable range inside of 50, and there, when that becomes a holder for the value, so anytime here you see variable range will equal 50. But what about something as complex as this, where you actually have a range, variable greater than 20, so that'd be 21 and up, and then variable less than 25, that'd be 24 and down, so that'd be 21, 22, 23, and 24. And then here the OR would be to infinity on either side. So I'm going to go ahead and say, well, how about operator, how about and, how about greater, if variable is less than, there we go, if variable is less than 25, let me take a peek, variable, sorry, is greater than 20 and less than 25, so I'm going to come over here and go, if variable is greater than 20 and less than 25, so we'll put 25, it's as simple as this, it's not that difficult, and if it's greater than, if variable is greater than 20, so we'll put 20, and then we slide this into that side, this one into that side, we go back to variable, we slide variable range into there. You can call these variables anything you want. How about this, if I slide this one into this side, now this comes out to exactly how we read that handout, and that is, see, variable greater than 20, variable less than 25, so if we're looking for a range here, it would be any numbers between 21 and 24. I'm going to do it right now just as a repeat for OR, and that would just be anything greater than 20, anything greater than, so it would be 21 to infinity, and this one would be 24 to negative in infinities. So I'm going to go back and quickly create it, and it would be, where is it, OR, and we'll do the exact same thing, and I'll say greater than 50, I'm going to put 20, and I'm going to put less than, I might have this backwards, and let me go take a peek real quick. So anything greater than 20 or anything less than 25, so that'll be anything greater than 20, so let's go get our variables, and here's my variable, and anything less than 25, here's my variable, and so it's an OR, you don't get a combination of the both. You have a choice of one or the other, and so it's either going to be 21 to infinity, or we're going negative, and see how it says less than, and it's going to be, I think, what do we have, 25, and or it's going to be 24 to negative infinity, all the way into the negatives. So all I want to do here was show you how to create operators. That's how you create operators. In the coming steps, I'm going to show you how to do conditionals. See here right now you made the operator, but you can't really see anything. It's not, you can't add it to any of the code to have it actually come out and be a functioning operator with a variable. In the next step with conditionals, then we'll be able to actually have it functioning and be able to pump out and show you results or numbers. That's the next step.